Hey everyone, welcome to this video on modular dark modern bedroom design. In this video, we'll take you through the steps to design a bedroom that's stylish, functional, and comfortable. We'll show you how to use modular furniture, lighting, and accessories to create a cohesive and modern look. So let's get started. Design inspiration. The first step to designing a modern bedroom is to gather inspiration. Look online for bedroom designs that catch your eye, and take note of the elements that make them stand out. For a dark modern bedroom, you might look for inspiration in minimalist design, Scandinavian style, or industrial aesthetics. Color scheme. The color scheme of your bedroom sets the tone for the entire space. For a modern look, we recommend a dark and moody palette with shades of gray, black, and navy. You can add pops of color with accessories like throw pillows or artwork. The first step in designing any room is choosing the color scheme. For this bedroom design, we're going with a dark and moody color scheme. We'll be using shades of black, gray, and white as our primary colors. Modular furniture. Modular furniture is a great way to maximize space in a modern bedroom. Look for pieces that can be easily rearranged, like a modular bed with built-in storage, a multifunctional dresser, or a modular wardrobe. This will give you the flexibility to adjust your furniture arrangement as needed, and create a clutter-free environment. Next, we'll be selecting furniture that fits our color scheme and style. We'll be using a dark wooden platform bed with a sleek, modern design. We'll also be adding a matching dresser and nightstand with clean lines and simple hardware. To add a touch of luxury, we'll be using a plush black area rug. Lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your bedroom. For a modern look, we recommend using a combination of overhead and task lighting. Install a modern pendant light or a sleek ceiling fan to provide general lighting, and use table lamps or floor lamps for reading and working. Lighting is crucial in creating a dark and modern bedroom. We'll be using dimmable recessed lighting in the ceiling to create a moody atmosphere. We'll also be adding a few table lamps with black lampshades to provide additional lighting and add to the overall design. Accessories. Accessories are the finishing touch to any bedroom design. For a modern look, choose accessories that are minimalist and functional. Consider adding a statement piece like a large piece of artwork or an accent rug, and use smaller accessories like vases or decorative boxes to add interest to your space. Bedding. To complete the look, we'll be using black and white bedding with a few decorative pillows to add some texture and interest. We'll also be using a gray throw blanket to add some warmth and softness to the space. The room is spacious, with tall ceilings and large windows letting in natural light. The walls are painted in a deep, moody gray and the floors are covered in a sleek, dark wood. We see a queen-sized bed in the center of the room, with black satin sheets and fluffy pillows. The bed is flanked by two minimalist nightstands, each with a modern lamp. As the camera pans to the left, we see a large, built-in wardrobe with sliding doors. The wardrobe has a matte black finish and is designed with clean lines and sharp angles. On the opposite side of the room, we see a cozy reading nook with a black leather armchair and a matching ottoman. A modern floor lamp illuminates the area, casting a soft glow. In the corner, there is a desk with a sleek, minimalist design. The desk is made of black metal and has a black glass top. The desk chair is upholstered in black leather and has a geometric pattern on the backrest. As we move around the room, we see various decorative elements, such as a large abstract painting on the wall, a collection of black and white photographs on a shelf, and a few potted plants scattered throughout. The overall aesthetic of the room is dark and moody, with sleek, modern elements and a few pops of greenery to add some life and texture. The design is perfect for anyone who wants a stylish, sophisticated bedroom that exudes a sense of comfort and relaxation. Some tips. Decorating a bedroom can be a fun and exciting project. Here are some tips to help you decorate your bedroom. Choose a color scheme. Select a color scheme that you love and that complements the overall style of your bedroom. Some popular color schemes for bedrooms include neutral tones like beige, white, and gray, as well as bold and bright colors like blue, green, and red. Invest in good bedding. Your bed is the centerpiece of your bedroom, so invest in high-quality bedding that feels comfortable and looks great. Choose sheets, blankets, and pillows that complement your color scheme and add texture and interest to your space. Add artwork. Hang some artwork on your bedroom walls to add personality and visual interest to the space. Choose pieces that you love and that reflect your personal style, whether that's abstract art, landscape photography, or something else entirely. Incorporate textures. Add texture to your bedroom through items like rugs, curtains, and throw pillows. Mixing and matching different textures can create a cozy and inviting feel in your bedroom. Create a focal point. Choose a focal point in your bedroom, such as a statement wall, a piece of artwork, or a unique piece of furniture. This will draw the eye and create a sense of balance and visual interest in the space. Use lighting to set the mood. Lighting is key in creating a relaxing and inviting bedroom. Use a combination of overhead lighting, table lamps, and task lighting to create a cozy atmosphere that is perfect for winding down at the end of the day. Add personal touches. Finally, add some personal touches to your bedroom to make it feel like home. Whether it's family photos, cherished mementos, or a favorite book collection, incorporating elements that reflect your personality and interests will make your bedroom feel like a sanctuary. Conclusion. That's it for this video on modular dark modern bedroom design. By following these tips, you can create a stylish and comfortable bedroom that's perfect for relaxing and sleeping. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration, and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or tips for designing a modern bedroom. Thanks for watching.